Hey my awesome people, this is Dr. Shivam and a small note on the occasion that your exam dates have been announced. So this is Dr. Shivam and I just wanted to tell you that I can understand that with the exam dates being announced, you are getting more anxious. Your queries, your tension, the fear factor is increasing, and that is why it is important for you to give priority to your analysis of the preparation before you start your revision from now. So a lot more students ask me ki sir, in GT my status is constant, I am not able to increase my correct question, I am not able to go above a mark, and the answer lies in this simple one line: analyze your mistake and kill them up. Right? So the first and most important thing that you need to give priority at present time is analysis of your preparation. Give half an hour to analyze your weaker subject, to analyze where are you mistaking while you giving your GT, which are those subjects where you are making more than 50% of the questions wrong, which are the subjects, which are the topic that you are finding difficult to solve while you are giving your grand test, which are your fear factor. Find your weaker subject, find your weaker topic and kill them up. So it differs for everyone. That is why I cannot generalize it, because it differs for everyone, right? And that is why you need to analyze your own preparation. There is no definite pattern. Just find, analyze and do the needful. Give them some more extra time. Take a look of the weaker subject, some more MCQs, whichever is needed to get strong to them. Get the concept at one and final time. And once you are over with your weaker subjects or topic, automatically your number of correct questions will increase. So revise and revise things. Some topics need that, right? But finally try to maintain a positive peak and a positive motivation all the time. Just don't worry with your grand test marks or rank. You have ample of time to flip the situation in the coming period. So I believe that you will surely improve and perform to your optimum in coming days. Just keep analyzing your mistakes, why it happened, rectify them, and you will be reaching your peak, right? So this is Dr. Shivam. I hope that this tip have helped you, and if it, then do tell me in the comment that which is the point that striked you and you would be implementing in your future preparation. So I'm ending this podcast with a line that even if your days are going dull these days, just remember that you are going to rock one day, and that day is going to come very soon. Lots of love and respect from my side. This is Dr. Shivam signing off.